Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So at the top of the box there is a Make It Easy slogan, and at the front the EasyAcc branding as well as an image of the wireless charging desk organizer. And at the back of the box there is a list of product features for this EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer, as well as some compliance or certifications. So this wireless charging desk organizer is Qi compatible or enabled with the inductive charging or wireless charging. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open it up by of course sliding the tab out and lifting up the box lid. And let's continue to remove the items from the box, setting the user manual or booklet to the side as we continue to remove the rest of the items from the box packaging. So right there, and obviously always making sure that nothing else is left behind in the box. We can now set the box to the side. Let's set it to the left hand side of the frame right there. So we do have the quick start guide on the right, as well as the wireless charging desk organizer, nicely and safely packed right there. So let's go ahead and remove the wireless charging desk organizer from its protective packaging right there and setting it to the side after making sure nothing else is left inside of it. Okay, so the EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer is available in two colors. This is the brown, the other is in black. And let's start off by first taking a look at the quick start guide. So just making some slight adjustments so we have maximum view of the product without any kind of distraction between the foreground and the background. Okay, so there is a quick start guide right here. Let's open it up. So it is a fold out leaflet or booklet with several different panels. So just going to slide across the camcorder to show you the different panels of information for your reference right there. So we have specifications and usage instructions in various languages. Okay, so that's the quick start guide for the EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer. I'm going to set that down to the side right there, to the top right hand side of the frame. And now we can take a close-up look at this EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer. So it is Qi compatible or conductive charging enabled or wireless charging, and you can see that there is a cable tucked in to this recess of the side of this desk organizer here, and that is where your mobile phone or smartphone will sit. And taking a look at the back of the desk organizer and giving you that all-round look, so you can see the very fine grain of this desk organizer. And it is PU leather or polyurethane, so it is not genuine leather, it is a synthetic material. So hopefully no animals were harmed in the production of this desk organizer. Just giving you that all-round look as well. Very beautiful and natural looking grain. Close-up look right there, and the stitching detail as well. Pretty consistent and fine stitching right around the various panels of this desk organizer, and embossed on the bottom of the organizer you can see some safety certifications and specifications as well. Right there at a better angle. Okay, so giving you that all-round look, you can see that wireless charging symbol right there, and it does have an LED status indicator light right there. And taking a look at the different compartments of this desk organizer, you can see there is a pen pot there, or pen holder or caddy on the left, as well as two rectangular sections in the middle. And of course, lastly, the smartphone stand to charge your smartphone wirelessly. Okay, so all-round look at this EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer right there in brown. And as I mentioned, it's also available in black. And once again, this time around, resting the desk organizer in my hand just to give you some idea of the size of it. So giving you a quick all-round look, and it does have the EasyAcc branding at the front, which is stamped or embossed right in the middle of the organizer. And in terms of material, the inside sections of the compartments are very thinly lined, or at least it's lined with a thin felt-like material. And you can see the overall construction is very, very good with those very tight stitches, and everything is nice and securely in place. And just tugging on that middle separator or divider there, it is pretty stiff, as you can see, pushing really hard there, and stays nice and firmly in position, so no bending there or twisting of any part of this desk organizer. So really solid piece right there. You can hear it is not a flimsy organizer at all. Nice and rigid in form. And now let's check out that charging cable right there. Just giving you a look there with a USB type A connector right there. Let's undo the cable tie to show you the cable length. And okay, so unwinding the cable to give you a nice clear view of the cable length for this EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer. So pretty long and reasonable in length, very practical. Okay, so giving you that close-up look right there of the USB Type A connector. That will power the T-enabled wireless charger right there to the side, and giving you a look inside that section there where the cable is built into the desk organizer. Okay, so now let's go ahead and plug that USB cable into this Anker PowerPort 4 Lite 4-port USB charger, which I've unboxed on the channel before, so you can always look up the video for this unboxing and testing of this Anker PowerPort 4 Lite 4-port USB charger. Okay, so let's plug the USB cable in, and of course plugging the charger into a wall socket or lead and flipping that switch on. You can see the LED status indicator light at the front middle section of that smartphone stand light up, and it's in blue, and it did flash just before going a solid blue. And just to give you a close-up look at that LED right there, nice and clear without being too bright or shiny. So it is in a dark blue, however it might appear a slightly pale blue in the video. Okay, just setting the EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer in the middle. And now I have this Sony Xperia XZ3 Android smartphone, which I've also unboxed on the channel, sitting nicely in the Case Collection brushed carbon fiber effect slim TPU case, also unboxed on the channel, so you can always look up these items should you be interested in finding more about them. Okay, and this phone of course is wireless charging enabled. Let's check it out. It is now sitting at 89% in terms of battery power reserve. Let's place it on the desk organizer, and you can see straight away that you could hear the audible charging tone and the light changing to a green on the stand of this desk organizer with its wireless charger, indicating green now, and the phone's status indicator light also lit up now, showing that the phone is charging wirelessly. So this is a pretty effective charger in terms of being quite responsive, being that the phone is sat in a case. Some wireless chargers are not designed so well and may not charge a phone with its case on. And let's just lift the phone off and see what happens, and you can see how quickly that light changes on the smartphone stand with its wireless phone charger right there. And while it's charging from 89%, we can take a quick look at this Schaefer Intensity ballpoint pen here in black stripe and chrome plate trim, which I've unboxed on the channel before as well, just to give you some sense of the size there. And then of course the whole idea is to show you the pen pot and just how deep it is right there. and its different compartments for organizing your stationery and your general desktop items. And now giving you that look once again of the EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer with a Schaefer Intensity ballpoint pen sitting in the pen pot and a Sony Xperia XZ3 in its case collection brushed carbon fiber effect TPU case, charging nicely in the wireless charging stand on the far right there. So that's the EasyAcc wireless charging desk organizer. Thanks for watching and happy charging!